Have you ever wanted information from one SmartSuite table to appear in another? And of course, without having to manually copy and paste that info? Well, with Lookup Fields, this is possible. Lookup Fields are a special type of field in SmartSuite that allow you to link related records so you can get more info. This helps keep your data consistent and connected without having to manually update it. Hi there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help companies like yours get set up and automated using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. A lookup field is a special field type in SmartSuite that allows you to show information from a linked record. This means you can reference your data without needing to duplicate it and ensure that you're showing your team and clients the relative info they need to see. Like here, instead of having to re-enter contact details, when a lead converts into an account, you can link the two tables and use a lookup field to pull in the contact's email address from the accounts table. The email appears in the leads table automatically, avoiding duplicate data entry. And in short, lookup fields allow you to cross-reference your information across your SmartSuite solution. Now, creating a lookup field is a straightforward process. It first involves linking your tables. If not already linked, well, we'll need to add a linked record before adding a lookup field. So let's go through those steps. So before you can create that lookup field, you need to create a linked relationship between two tables. In SmartSuite, add a linked record field just by adding a new field here, and that will connect two tables that contain related information. For instance, if you want to look up a client's email in a projects table, start by linking the projects table to the clients or contacts table via a linked record field. This link then establishes a relationship and is required for you to create a lookup field and for that lookup field to work. Now, to add a lookup field, add a new field to your table and select the lookup field type from the list of available field options. This will open the lookup field settings panel where you'll configure what data you want to pull in. In the lookup field settings, you need to tell SmartSuite which linked record to use and which field from that linked record to display. Like, for example, if you've linked to a contacts table, you might select the email field to display each contact's email in this table without having to duplicate that data. After selecting the field, just click Add Field or Save, and at this point, your new lookup field will appear in the table. What SmartSuite will do for you is automatically populate it with the corresponding data or values from the linked records. You should instantly see data from the related table showing up for each record that has a link. No manual data entry is needed. The values are pulled for you automatically. And if a record doesn't have a linked item yet, that lookup cell will remain blank until you link a record to it. With lookup fields, we're also able to apply filters or conditional logic. What SmartSuite allows you to do is refine what data is being pulled in by a lookup field using filters. The lookup field settings, we'll open those again, and here you can toggle on include filters and set conditions to restrict which linked records are considered and actually used. This is incredibly useful for when you have a linked record that shows multiple values, but you only want to pull through certain criteria. For example, if an opportunity links to many contacts, you could filter the lookup to only pull the email of a contact with a specific role, say the primary contact, or some status like active or onboarding. To add a filter, just define the condition or multiple conditions and the value that must match. Filtering, of course, is optional, but if you don't set any filter, the lookup field will simply bring in the value from all linked records. Now that you've set up your lookup field, it's configured, you can use it just like any other field type. If you add or change the link, the lookup field will update to show the corresponding data. And likewise, if someone updates the original value in the source table, that lookup field's value, that change is reflected instantly. That ensures that your table is showing the most recent information and avoids having your team needing to scour through data, tables, and solutions in order to find the correlating data. With a lookup field, we're able to maintain a source of truth. All data and information will be the same. We're not forced to duplicate that data. And we also save time and reduce errors by leaning on automation. Lookup fields shine in any scenario where you have related data in different tables and want to view one table's info while working in another. A common use case is linking a contacts table to a company's table. Use lookups to display company details like company name, industry, or account manager. Then, vice versa, show a contact's phone number and email on the company record. This way, sales or support reps see all relevant info in one place while keeping data centralized. In a project management table, you'll have the projects table and you'll have the clients table. You can link each project to its client, like here, then use lookup fields in the project table to pull in the client's key information, such as the right contact person, email, or contract terms. Another great example is in an orders table that would be linked to a products table. Like here, we use a lookup to display the product's current price or stock level on each order. This ensures that even if a price changes in the products table, all new orders will show the updated price without anyone manually updating the info. There's so much power in automatically populating data from one table to another. Not only are you saving time on duplicating your data, you also have a main source of truth. Everyone knows that that information is correct, and you're saving time and reducing errors. Now, if you want to learn more about SmartSuite, make sure to check out our SmartSuite playlist linked above. And if you're looking to better set up your business or automate parts of it, then don't hesitate to reach out to us at automationhelpers.com. Our team of experts are offering a free 30-minute consultation, so book yours today.